Attached to this lesson, you'll find the project files needed for you to follow this course. It's just a Unity package. You can right click and import it. I'm just gonna show you again how to do so, just in case you haven't watched the Unity quick start. But this is Unity, right? And this is a Unity package. Right click, import Unity package. You import the package and then you select import. And that's it, right? But for those Unity package assets to work properly, I'm gonna need you to install Unity 6.1, but specifically 6000.1.7 F1. That's one of the latest supported versions as of today, and it's the one that we are going to be using for you to learn how to use Shuriken, right? So this is the exact same one that I'm using. If you import the assets using this specific Unity version, you shouldn't have any issues, right? So once the assets have been imported, you'll see those, not these ones specifically, this is just an example, but yeah, you'll see those around here. Those are a bunch of templates for the particle systems. And yeah, so this is a clean particle system for you to use one of these presets here, which I'm gonna show you later on down the line. You'll also find a folder with the set VFX that I told you were gonna get for you to be able to reverse engineer. The thing is, I still have to build those as of right now. So you'll be getting those, don't worry, but yeah, those are gonna be like Dragon Ball type of aura thing, which is the one that we're gonna make from scratch. And then you'll find Smoke Bomb, which is an asset that can already be found in the professional portfolio course. Check that one out if you haven't already. But it's the same essential VFX, but it's gonna be nice for you to understand how to use Shuriken in this case, right? So those are gonna be the couple of effects that you get. Besides that, you're getting this awesome scene with Vexa there, which is our stylized character, anime type of character, super stylized, and it's super beautiful. So it's gonna enhance the look of your effects if you're displaying something on top of this amazing character. And then also the environment, which is a pretty grid that I made using Substance Designer. Check out the Substance Designer course if you haven't already. And then the reflections, which I made using Blender. You can also check the Blender course, right? So this is pretty neat because it's super important to have a nice frame for your effects and not just display the effects just because, right? Those are the project files. You'll find those attached to this lesson, and that should be good to go. See you in the next lesson.